Evening, gents. I actually have a surprise today. I got myself a Oculus Rift. I'm so excited. I just want to say first things first. Thanks to my fiance for helping me with this. Thanks to Andrew for helping me with this. I'm so excited. They helped me to get this, and yeah, this is the one that took controls everything. I ordered it from a company called Cybertrek. They are actually, they are a very decent company in South Africa. I'll put a link there. Support them. This thing is actually quite decent. But yeah, let's open up and see what's inside. Oh, yes, toch. I like this. Shit. That's this trouble setting up Rift. Don't give up. We can help. What's in there? What's this? Oh, it's the screen, lens cleaner. Oh, nice. Extra batteries. Awesome. The Oculus Rift stickers. And then the manual that no one reads. Lovely. So, what you get with is two nice controllers. Hey, yes, they're actually decent. Wow. Yes. They're actually sitting quite decent. So, I'm recording on my phone, so I need one hand. Because my camera, I currently don't have it, so I'm actually feeling like an asshole. Now, yes, this thing is, yes, it's quite light. Holy shit. Sorry. So here's the head strap, the headphones that it comes with. I heard they're actually quite good. I'm actually curious to see how it works. So yeah, the two sensors, 1, 2. Oh, this is just a clip it in, and the box is actually strong, so it's nice to carry it in with. And here's the other controller. Lovely, lovely. I'm going to test it out, I'm going to set it up, then I'll let you know. But I just want to say thanks again for my fiance. Thanks again for Andrew for assisting me with getting this item. I'll see you all on VR chat. Thanks again. Cheers.